Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've come on here today because I've already been on here, but I went and got off my horse about things and went off about stuff. And I had to turn the video off, and I'm not putting it up because it talks about things, about copyright and stuff, and I don't want to talk about it. I've decided that I'll leave it to the professionals. If they want to do it, they can. I'm not going to. So anyway, I've got this, what's the name thing here, the envelope that I cut the top off, alright, and I have decoupaged that over there, collaged it, I've been collaging it, not using the right words, got myself into a flap a minute ago, and had to take that video off because I'm not going to use that. Now I'm going to put a notch down on the top of this so you can see what this is, because I'm actually making a, I'll see what time we've got plenty of time because I've just restarted this, haven't I? And I won't take the other one down, but I will. I just can't. I'm not putting it up either. I'm not going to put it up. Yeah, so I don't want people to think I like to keep my opinion to myself most of the time. Just think sometimes they get you. Anyway, not to worry. We're going to stick that there like that, and I have stuck that leaf down there like that. So I've put all this collaging stuff on here. I'm going to put some mushrooms. Sorry about this video, it'll be a lot shorter than usual because, like I said, I had to take a lot of it out. I'm going to not use what I've said in here. Okay, righto, it's all good. We're all good. Righto. Birds are nice, aren't they? They look good. Birdies on a string. Birdies on a... They look good. I like the birdies. I'm going to put some birdies on. Now, I hope everybody's having a good day. You know, when I got on that subject and I went, you know, went off on it. I don't want people to think I'm a terrible person, but I just can't understand how it works. If you're owning something and you're calling it yours, it can be, as far as I'm concerned. And you don't call it by anybody else's name. You don't want to say this is so-and-so's product because that's not what you do, but anyway, I'm going to leave that before I get myself into some trouble. I like people to watch my channel, but I also like to be inconspicuous or something. Where's the more mushroomy things? I haven't got the right thing on there yet. I hope you think this looks all right, does it? How am I? I don't know. I need to get another. I know a nice pink one on there or something nice and pinkish. This is actually going to be a. I'm going to have to turn it up the other way. I know that's silly, but I can't. I've got the mushrooms on there. I need to have a better look at what I'm doing to make it right. Okay. I keep putting that one back, but I think I'll put this one on here. I think I'll put that one on there. I do like that. This is my collage for my... what am I doing? Don't need glue. Oh, no, don't need glue. Told you I was in a flap. I've already had one video up. I'm going to put 2 of these up today, okay? As far as I know. And then you just might miss out on one tomorrow, I don't know. Because I've got to go out and do something, I suppose. Can't stay at home all the time. There we go. I just do like me crafting, and that's what I like to do. So, and I need something to cover up this part here because it's very hang on, just grab these up, Sonia. Don't leave them on the thing because I just took 2 hours to clean up my table, and it's just all sorted. It's not really cleaned up at all. It's just made a space for me to work on. Come on, it's not easy to pick them up, but I'll get them. Don't be panic, I'll get them. Come here. Rightio. Now, something squarish. I might put one of these birds on. I want to put something here. cover that up. What have I got here nearby me? I've got some of these. And I've got some of these. Okay. These might be too big. These bits. Now, what's her name? Rachel, who is Roxy Creations, loves putting one of these, loves putting a label on things. I've got some labels here that I can put on. Not right. And then you can write on it, can't you? Well, you know what I mean. Don't want the druggist one. I want something, I just don't know what it is. Cashier thing. Well, you wouldn't think it was that hard, would you, to find a sticker to put on there. The thing is, it's got this bit here, and these are too big. Let's see what's in this other box. Now, I've spread them out from one end of the table to the other. Let's see if we can pick them up, Sonia. It's a good idea. Oh, look, here's a square one. Oh, this is neat. I didn't see these. Okay. I like that. I do like that one. I don't want it to go over that hole, though. It's covered up a fair bit of that. But that's okay. We're all good. Righto, we're going to put this on there. I know there's something with a hole in it would look better with a brad or something through it, or I might do that yet. You never know. If I could just get the sticker undone. Come on, Sonia, you can do this. Oh, I hope so. Okay. Now this goes up that way because it's got that little hole in it there, right? So that's going to go on there like so. And then, that doesn't look very good, does it, Sonia? Now I'm pulling all the paper off. Brilliant, girl, brilliant. Okay, that one didn't come off, but the music paper is coming out. I've ruined my sticker too now, look at that. Right, where am I? I'm here, nobody panic. Look, I'm going to put that on there, I think. It's upside down. Which way can it go? Like that? How about this? I don't know. I don't know what I want. Let's just tear that down there a bit. Get that bit off there. That's better. So I've made an interesting decoration on here, haven't I? As you might know. I wanted a square thing. Like, I mean, you know, when I say a square thing, I just wanted something else on it to give it some interest. But I will put some writing on it. Let's just put a word across there, and I'll show you what I made before. Wait a minute, what's in here? There's an animal in here. I've already got birds on, no, don't need anything else, do I? Oh, here's the things. What I was thinking. That's what I was thinking about. Right. Got these ages ago. Couldn't find them. Found them today. In my drawer over there. I've been having trouble finding things because I just had so much stuff in that drawer. I put them in the drawer and then I put stuff in front of the drawer so I could never find it again. I don't know what I'll put there yet. Next time I do it, I'm going to make a bit better go of it, because I'm going to realise what I need to do, because when you do these things you must practice them. I think practice makes you get there. What do? I'm going to put one of these on here. I'm going to put here favourite tales. There's nothing simpler. Hidden by shadows, small contributions, all into to all else in the world for the moment. Few words pass between them. Interesting stories here. If they were let fly away. Now this isn't hard, isn't it? She could believe. She could believe. Right. I'm going to put that there. I do like that one. That'll do for today. I'm starting to get, the eyes are starting to get sick of looking at things because I've been fiddling around here for so long, sorting out stuff. Now, don't get disheartened because I'm making one of these, okay? This is what I made last night. This is what I made today. So I'm really pleased with this. I'm really pleased with it. It's actually a flip it, you know. So when you put it in your journals, you glue that in and then you flip it. And I haven't put anything yet on the back, but I intend to do so. As far as I know, I could leave it spare though, you know, because then people can use it for whatever they want to put a picture on there or something. But see, this is what I'm aiming to make today. This is what I wanted to do. What else did I do last night? I know something else. Where is it? Okay. It's one of them things that you lost again, Sonya, is it? Great. I'll just give you a peep of that in a minute because I want to do a tutorial on that after, but it won't be today because I got myself into a little bit of a fluster earlier on. I just want to have a break now. I'm going to find this thing though first for you. I hope. Do you think I will? Probably not. Because that happens, doesn't it? When you want to show something to people or you want to do something, things always go missing, don't they? Got a big pile of stuff here in front of me. Of stuff that I have made and just pushed onto the table, you know? How that is. And that's what I was picking up today, all that stuff that I just... Oh, here it is. Okay. So this is what I wanted to do in my next tutorial. This one. Okay. So I did this last night. This is all out of my head. Okay, now because, well, I've been watching other people do stuff, so therefore you pick up things, you know, as you're looking, right? So this is, I'll put that down there so you can see that this what this is. This is a tuck thing, right? It's actually an envelope, right? And there's the bottom part of it. Righto. So you got a tea bag, and then you can put stuff in here in the little tea bag, and that flips up, and there's some writing space there, and then you flip that over there, and you've got more writing space there and there. Now I made this to go in to that book thingy that I'm doing, you know, that thing, and it's too big, but I may still put it on there. So I made it so I could put it into this and show you how to put it into this. I'll turn this up the right way. That can still be on the front. Actually, that can still go on the front. So there's a pocket there, and there's a pocket in here. I'll get some. There's a place there. There's a place. Look, there's a pocket in there where you can put stuff down in there. And then there's that piece there, and then there's a pocket there, and that's going to be put onto there somewhere because I haven't done anything with the back, so that's just an envelope, okay? So that's what I've been working on, and having a really good time and finding lots of things everywhere, and it's just been absolutely great fun. So thank you everybody for watching, and I'll talk to you later, okay? Everybody have a good day, and don't let anything upset you too much, please. Okay, bye-bye.